Biology students. So we just completed a lesson trying to figure out how evolution happens. How do populations change over time? Is it magic? No, it's not. How does this happen exactly? So we're going to continue to try to figure out the answer of how does evolution happen. So our unit central question is the same. What causes the populations to change? Today we're going to focus on one specific kind of organism or creature called the stickleback. It's this little fish. Our question today is, how did these stickleback lose their armor and spines? So you're going to watch a video that tells us the story of the stickleback. It's just about 2 minutes. While you're watching the video, think, what's happening to the sticklebacks? How are they changing? There's a quiz on Schoology where you're going to put the story in the right order. There's a picture with a description. After watching the video, you're going to put it in the right order, the pictures. You can take it multiple times, so it's something that everyone should get a 4 on. Just try to figure it out as many times as you need to. And then the last thing you'll do today is answer the discussion question on Schoology is, how did the stickleback that live in freshwater lose its armor and spines? So going back, that's our focus question. So how did this happen? Again, is it magic? No. How? You're going to be able to answer this question by using 2 pieces of evidence: the quiz you take and the video you watch. So just to help you out, there's a lot of new vocab to make sure you understand what these words mean. When I say freshwater, we're talking about anything that's not ocean water, not salt water. So everything in Minnesota is freshwater. Everything in the middle of our country or in the middle of countries is freshwater. Saltwater is oceans and seas, it has salt in it. You'll hear about this creature when you watch the video and take the quiz. Dragonfly larva. It's a baby dragonfly. It doesn't have wings yet. And you've met this guy before. Those of you that came on the field trip the first couple weeks of school, we went to Thompson Lake. We caught these dragonflies. They are a predator to the stickleback fish. They eat these fish. The picture is smaller than the fish, but in real life, this eats stickleback. Spines are part of the stickleback. Armor is part of the stickleback. These things here on the top of the fish's back and on the bottom of the fish's belly are spines. They're things that stick out. And what you're going to learn when you watch the video is that the dragonfly grabs this spine to eat the fish. So if the fish have long spines, it's good for the dragonfly, bad for the stickleback. To clarify, today you'll watch this video, take the quiz, then answer the discussion question at the end. Any questions? Send me an email.